Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the only viable path. Your carrier and iPhone must allow Hotspot. Once confirmed, enable cellular data and preferred network 5G/LTE in settings. Make sure iOS is updated so system features appear correctly. Then sign into your Apple ID in settings if you aren't already. Account mismatches can hide Hotspot. You're doing these steps now because the hotspot option appears only when the phone has an active, carrier-authorized data connection and an up-to-date OS. Next, go directly to Settings Personal Hotspot and toggle Allow Others to Join. This action publishes the network. Set a straightforward Wi-Fi password so other devices can connect without confusion. If your iPhone doesn't show Personal Hotspot, enable Bluetooth and connect via Bluetooth pairing or use a USB cable. Both reveal tethering capability to a host device. Make sure airplane mode is off and cellular data remains active. Toggling Personal Hotspot off and on can force the UI to refresh. To finish, restart the iPhone once the hotspot is enabled. A reboot often makes the option appear. If it still doesn't show, reset network settings, settings general transfer, or reset network settings, which clears APN and forces carrier provisioning to reapply. Once done, re-enter Wi-Fi passwords and check Personal Hotspot again. If problems persist, contact your carrier to confirm APN settings and plan provisioning. Often the hotspot is blocked at the account level rather than by the phone itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.